I must find my child. Where is my child? I need to find my child. I have no time to waste. I need to find my child. I have no time to waste here. It's time to investigate where my child is. This kindergarten is insane. Time is a delicate matter for me right now. I need to find my child. I need to find my child. Who are those guys? Okay. I cannot open this door, so I will go over here. Mine. Get over here. Huh? Oh. Is that a drone? Okay. So what's it? I need 2 more batteries. What is over here? Is that a battery? Stinger flint. What? Okay. Where is my child? How did you turn on by yourself? Go turn that on. Whee! Ain't no way this actually works. I'm pointing at the door. If this works, logic is stupid. Okay, logic is not stupid. What is that? Get over here! What is in there? Naughty corner. I'm not a naughty person. Come over here, drone. Drone? Are you there? Drone, get over here. Do you seriously need help to go through the door? Alright, just go down there. Drone, are you fine? Get on there. Yes, and now go down here over here. You are seriously stuck. Go. Go. You cannot even fit in here. That's weird. You cannot go. Just go. Okay, drone. I see how it is. Then I will go over here by myself then. Can I break through this door? No, I can't. The end is here. What do you mean the end? I only have one of those, and I need it. I am not giving you my pancreas. So, oh, holy crap. Oh, give me this. This is mine. Drone, where are you? Where the flippity fuck are you? Is he seriously over there again? I need to go get him. Are you serious right now, bro? It's so easy. Just get inside of here. Just get inside. Can't you even move from that spot? Okay, now go. I said go. Get over here. Now you can go through that door. Is there some kind of barrier? Drone, are you kidding me? I will slap the fuck out of you. You know what? I'm leaving you. Hey, yo, give me that. That worked significantly. Give me. Okay. Eat. 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 Why is this thing so hungry? It's hungrier than a monster would do. Where is this thing? Where is the egg? Huh? Where is this stupid egg hiding? Is it over here? Bro, are you eating lunch? Get over here. Where is my child? I really need to find my child. Eat. What is that? Okay.